helped foster childhood creativity since the beginning of their company. And right now, you can check out all of their IP secrets right inside of the Crayola experience in Orlando, Florida. They've given us an inside peek at all of their trademarks that they've had over the years, as well as patents that they have on products that became wildly successful. One of my favorite things in this whole building was this color wheel. It gave us all the cool facts about colors, all the colors that Crayola has developed, the emotions that they invoke, and being someone who is in love with marketing, I just love to read all of the facts on how powerful the use of different colors are. And another thing that I loved was getting to design my own crayon. First, you'll name it whatever you'd like. Then you'll pick the color and out pops this beautiful crayon that you've designed all by yourself. I probably was supposed to bring my kids along, but I did not, and I still had such a great time. If you decide to go by yourself or with your kids, there's so much to learn, so much to do. You will not regret it.
Thank you for hanging out with us today at Crayola. I hope you stop by the next time you're in Orlando.